Alright, this is my daughter's 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. It has the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, not the turbo, and we're going to change the PCV valve. She's got a little over 146,000 miles on her car. So we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic cover. Please check the link in the video description and you can get all the part numbers. I ordered this part off of Amazon, less than $20. So that just gets held in by these knobs right here. So when you put it back on, you'll just line those up. So that's how that goes. Our PCV valve, you can see the plastic nut on it right here. It goes in there. So the first thing that we're going to do is take this off. So you're going to need some sort of pliers that you can pinch a hose clamp so you can loosen that just like that. Okay, so we loosened the hose. And we're going to use a 21mm socket. Alright, so we're just going to kind of, it's so loose that instead of relying on the ratchet, I'm going to like hold the socket every time I redo the ratchet. That should be fine to do by hand now. So just the regular 21mm socket does work. So this is our old one. Alright, so this is our genuine Hyundai part, PCV valve ordered from Amazon. That's what it looks like. And so that's what we're going to be putting in there. We don't have any idea if or when that has ever been changed. So you'll notice, if you can come over here with the video on this side, looking right here, this is plastic where it's going in, and this is plastic. So we're not going to tighten this too much. We're just going to snug it up there. So we're just going to thread that in there. And then once we get it to contact the base, just going to do it by hand. So we're going to take our socket and we're just going to kind of snug it up, but we are not going to do this super tight. So right now there's no resistance at all. It's just still, okay, so now I'm getting some resistance. So now I'm just gonna, tighten it a little bit, like I'm not getting much resistance really there. Okay, so that's good right there. So now I will take my pliers, open up this, I believe it's called a vacuum hose. Open up that clamp, get that slid back on there like that. Always leave your clamps up where the next person can easily get to them. And this job is done. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Please check the video description. I'll put an Amazon link to the genuine Hyundai PCV valve part. When it's the original OEM, it's less than 20 bucks. There's no reason to buy an aftermarket. So I would stick with a Hyundai part. And so this job is done.